Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss about exercise 3.2 question number 1 from the chapter 3 trigonometric functions class 11 max. The question is find the values of other 5 trigonometric functions for cos x is equal to minus 1 by 2 where x lies in the third quadrant. That is the question. You see there are total of 5 questions in this exercise. We will be discussing the question number 1 in this video. The other questions would be discussed in the next videos which will be available in the playlist. So you see, here cos x is equal to minus 1 by 2 where x lies in the third quadrant. So you see, we want to find out the values of the other 5 trigonometric functions. So we know that sec x, which is a trigonometric function, it is actually the reciprocal of cos x. Okay, so we can find its value as sec x is equal to 1 by cos x, which is equal to 1 by cos x is actually what? Minus 1 by 2. So multiplication with reciprocal. So 1 into 2 by minus 1, which is equal to 1 into 2, 2 divided by minus 1 is actually minus 2. So the value of this function sec x is equal to minus 2. Now you see, we can use the trigonometric identity, which is sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1, or cos square x plus sin square is equal to 1. From this we can write sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos square x. Okay, so here we can write sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos square x. See, cos x is minus 1 by 2. So cos square x means actually what? 1 minus cos square x means cos x all square. Cos x all square is actually cos square x. So sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos x is minus 1 by 2 whole square. So this will become 1 minus square is plus 1 by 2 whole square is 1 by 4. Okay, now cross multiplication, 4 into 1 4 minus 1 is 3 divided by 4. Okay, so you see this is actually sin square x is equal to 3 by 4. Sin square x means actually sin x all square. So sin x all square is equal to 3 by 4. So what about the value of sin x? Sin x will be equal to plus or minus square root of 3 by 4. Okay, this will be equal to plus or minus root 3 divided by square root of 4 is 2. So, sin x is equal to plus or minus square root of 3 divided by 2. Now, plus root 3 by 2 or minus root 3 by 2. So, to determine that, we have this rule now. When we consider the 4 quadrants, in the first quadrant, all, the values of all trigonometric functions are positive. In the second quadrant, sine and cosec functions will be having positive values and all other trigonometric functions will be having negative values. And in the third quadrant, because you see our x lies in the third quadrant. So in the third quadrant, tan and its reciprocal cot x will be having the positive values. All other trigonometric functions will be having negative values. So sin x is a trigonometric function. It will have a negative value in the third quadrant. So you have to take the value of sin x as minus root 3 divided by 2. Okay. Now you see we have another trigonometric function which is cosec x. Okay, cosec x is actually the reciprocal of sin x. So 1 by sin x is minus root 3 by 2 multiplication with reciprocal. So 1 into 2 by minus root 3. Okay, that is 2 divided by minus root 3 which is equal to plus divided by minus is minus 2 by root 3. This is the value of cosec x. Now you see, let us find out the value of the next trigonometric function which is tan x. See, we know that tan x is actually the ratio of sin x and cos x, that is sin x divided by cos x. See, sin x, its value is what? Minus root 3 by 2. So minus root 3 by 2 divided by cos x. Cos x, its value is minus 1 by 2. Okay, so multiplication with reciprocal. So minus root 3 by 2 into 2 by minus 1. 2 cancelled, minus divided by minus plus, root 3 divided by 1 is root 3. So you see this is the value of tan x. Now to get the value of the next trigonometric function cot x. So cot x is actually what? The reciprocal of tan x. So 1 by tan x is root 3. So 1 by root 3 is the value of cot x. Okay, so you see, we actually the value of cos x was given in the question. Then we have actually found out the values of sin x, sec x, cosec x, tan x, and cot x. So I hope it is clear to you. Thank you.